Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good evening, my students from Institute Business and Informatika, IB Kosgoro 1957, Department Administration, Business Administration. I would like to give you a little bit video about our agenda for tonight. That first of all, last week we talked about langkah awal dalam melaksanakan ekspor. We have already talked about what we have to do in doing export. So last week we talked about first market analysis. So from your discussion and for your sharing in the class, I think I'm very grateful, and I would like to review again about market analysis. Market analysis is something that is very important when we are doing the export. First, in market analysis, we have to identify potential export opportunity, correct? And then second, we have to see what are the factors influencing the exports, such as market needs, consumer trends, local preference, and what about competitors in market preference target? And the third thing that is very important is we have to analyze that our product and services are in line with the needs of target market of target country. Okay, that is the first thing that we have to review. And second, I would like to notice about the economic feasibility. That's we're talking about evaluation of the economic feasibility, about our production cost, delivery cost, and